And
Girls, you're the audience, so you stay over here.
I did not make
We
this
named it
poster.
Volcano.
Come back. We'll let you go back to that, Alexa. Come back now.
So-
Boys, you're talking to the girls right now.
This is the volcano. When it's stable.
Yeah.
And this is when it's starting. And this is when it's happening, but it's
What's
not.
that called?
Eruption.
Eruption.
And then the eruption has
What's
more,
coming out?
the lava.
All right. What is it before it comes out of the ground? What's it called?
Magma.
Magma. Good.
And then this is when it's at max pressure and it's spreading everywhere.
All right. What's happening with the smoke?
The smoke is coming
What's in
out
the
of
smoke?
air. Ashes.
Ashes. Okay.
And-
Gases.
And
Did
this
you
is-
write that on there yet?
No.
You're going to write that on, right? Okay.
Here. Better. Oh yeah.
Right.
Okay, so Christian, you come over here and you put the vinegar into that beaker.
Do this?
I have to
Yeah.
hold it upside down.
Put the vinegar in.
Oh.
Here, I'll use yours.
Ooh, the vinegar's going in.
Sweet.
The vinegar's in. Let's watch it.
Okay, now hopefully we'll have enough water and, so is everybody ready? You're gonna drop, what's in here?
Baking powder.
Baking
Oh,
soda.
soda.
It's totally different, don't say, okay, totally different. Drop that in.
Just put it in
Drop it in with the tissue.
right now.
Drop it in.
Drop it in. Yes.
Drop it in.
Drop it in.
Wait. Let's do this. Let's make it easier for you. You're looking a little nervous. Are you nervous?
I thought we were gonna go before we put it in.
Are you nervous?
Yes.
All right, put that in there first. Then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't spill it. Here we go.
Nothing's gonna happen. This
Guys,
is
it's like
just,
he's pouring
this is just
something
filling.
He gets to do it.
This is just filling your volcano.
Okay.
You gotta watch, Anthony.
I'm going to see
Never ending.
Just ended.
It's over.
Oh my
Everyone
god.
back up. It's going to explode in your face.
Hold this for a second. Hold it for a
Pour out
second.
the side.
Just don't go too close.
What is
It'll
that?
explode in
All right,
your
now
face.
let him. What do you think is going to happen when he puts the tissue in there?
It's gonna.
It's going to come out
At
the
first,
sides.
What will happen? What has to happen?
Fizz up.
Tissue has to
Dissolve.
dissolve.
And then
And
they'll
then the
die.
baking soda will be put in. Now, we might have to do this twice because we might need higher volume.
Yeah.
Okay, but let's see if it works.
Okay. Putting it in.
Dropping it in.
Put it in.
Yes.
Is it in?
Okay, move your hand.
Okay, so now we have to
Now
see
run!
if anything happens.
Now run. Christian, imagine it like
coming
squirts in your face.
And it
Never
squirts
put
in your face.
over something, but let's keep watching. Keep watching.
Oh! It's alive!
Cool. Oh.
Woo!
Well, that's it. That's
Okay.
good.
It's pink.
Okay, now
It's pink. Tissue. Pink tissue.
lava.
It was so much lava.
Why is it? That's doing very well.
Yeah, it's
Oh my
awesome.
god.
You
Tissue came out.
It's fluttering and the tissue's dead. Look at the tissue.
And look, there's
It's still coming.
It's still erupting.
It's still.
Oh man, we should make little houses.
And then they
The
melt.
lava looks so real. It's red.
It's running down where they put the red strips, right?
Oh yeah, it's mostly running there.
Yeah, that looks awesome.
What would happen to anything in the path of the lava?
It would just destroy.
It would be
Turn into
incinerated.
I would laugh.
Can we
if,
put
like,
more?
Christopher, like, stuff.
Okay, now I want to take a picture.
Make it go. Look at it. It's going down.
When that
Listen,
goes
get the
down,
top.
we can
Look
put
at the
this back in and
paper.
see if something happens.
Pink. Pink is a volcano color.
I would laugh.
Okay, I got
Christopher,
two
if you
gifts.
dropped
Still
it.
erupting. It's still erupting.
How is it still going? You put yours as safe
All
picks on
right,
your
so
phone.
guys, here's the key word. What do we call this? Chemical
Reaction.
We're awesome.
Chemical, we're awesome.
Yeah, chemical. We're
awesome.
awesome.
I wonder
That's a
what it
chemical.
looks like if
It's
you
a
take
new
all
one,
that
actually,
stuff
you did.
off.
No, it's still flowing. If you look carefully, you can still see.
Yeah.
Somebody
It's
got
still flowing, and that happens also as pressure releases, and it doesn't push out as hard.
What's
I want
this
to
little
touch it so
blob?
bad.
Yeah, what's this little blob?
The blob.
The blob is all the
What does anyone know? What gas is released? with
Carbon
this?
dioxide?
Carbon dioxide. Very good. Is in
The
here.
blob.
It's photosynthesis.
What? What?
Not photosynthesis.
The other one, the
looks
opposite of that.
Not that either.
Respiration.
It's not respiration. It's
Well,
a chemical reaction producing carbon
Well, it still
dioxide.
releases carbon
I
dioxide.
think it stopped.
It's going down. All right, so when this goes a little flat, you can try to put that back in and see if anything happens.
Look at the tissue.
Can I put it back in?
No.
No, it's a boy's project.
Oh, can I?
Boy.
Can I put it in?
Yeah, somebody
Yeah,
boy
so-
can
yeah.
do it.
I'll do it.
Well, Xavier.
I go dibs first.
Okay.
Hey, we all. It started to calm
All
down.
right, Chris, you want to come over and try to put it in? See what happens? All right, good job, Chris.
Woo!
Here we go.
All right, see.
Is
No,
it smooth?
Just try to drop it and push it in.
Oh!
It's okay. It's all right. Let's see what happens. Yeah! It's only soap and water.
It's not even in yet.
Getting it on there.
Push it in! It's not even going in. It's just like, oh gosh, it's gonna explode. Oh god. The pressure. Oh god.
What
The
happened?
pressure!
Pressure building up again?
It's going down while the pressure's going up.
Ah, interesting.
It's like
Okay, now it's
It's sinking in.
Jeremy, don't put your phone there.
It's gonna like burst.
it's gonna like destroy it.
Explode on your phone. I need it.
We might have used up all of our energy
Put more
supplied by
energy.
the baking soda,
More energy.
since nothing is happening now.
No, it will. It will happen.
Can we put more in?
Now that we can-
Oh!
I didn't get that
I got that.
I did.
one. I got it. Actually,
Me
got it.
too. I couldn't get that.
Then you guys gotta send that to me.
Sorry.
Gotta
Needs
shake
to
it.
be shaken up a little. Yeah. And then that should just about use up
Oh, yeah.
the chemicals that we put in there, right?
How awesome was that? And that was our scale model of a volcano.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
it's
Put more
going back
baking
to be
soda.
dormant for another 20
All right,
years.
so let's do the seismograph now.